sorry to have had to call this staff meeting, but as you know, we're experiencing serious production delays in our toy making. Elves are distracted, deliveries of supplies are delayed, and several of the workers are so fed up with it all that they move south. What about the children?
Maybe we should move south too. It's awfully cold up here.
How cold is it?
It's so cold that polar bears are buying fur coats.
It's so cold, we've been having mice playing ice hockey in the kitchen sinks.
It's so cold that my teeth chatter while they're still in the glass.
Perhaps we should consider relocating.
But where would we go?
Someplace with a nice climate.
Someplace that's fair to new businesses with low taxes.
And transparent and efficient government.
Oh, and maybe some pretty girls.
Hawaii!
Now, that's certainly worth considering.
Say, Santa, come on over here. You know, Hawaii's governor, Abner Crumby, he's an old friend of mine. We used to do sit-ins in the 70s together. I'd be glad to give him a call.
Wait a minute. I thought Linda Kringle was the governor.
Yeah, she got furloughed.
Hawaii is certainly worth considering. It wouldn't hurt to look into it and see what you can find. Hawaii. Perhaps I could try my hand at a little surfing.
Oh, surfing, huh? Maybe on the internet.
Hawaiian Santa is a sight to see when he comes surfing into Waikiki. He wears a mall around his big old pool, singing a Merry Christmas and waving to you. Hawaiian Santa with his great big pack will climb the window into your grass shack. He'll dance the hula around the Christmas tree, bringing a lot of presents for you and for me. Soft guitars are playing Christmas songs to fill the tropic sky.